Welcome guys to vlog number 1, which ended up being a bit of a fail for those that have flown drones over Ladybower. You'll probably know the reason why. Nevertheless, it's a good vlog. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, stay tuned to see what happened to me, Kelly and Hank along the way. Where are we going today, mate? Going for a walk? Yeah, your favourite.
Not your favourite bit, this is it. Good boy. That face.
You quite happy there?
He's not. It's like, I like it once I've got it on. Wait. There we go.
There we go. Are you quite happy now? Hank? Hey? There's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hi guys, welcome to the show. First time doing this, so yeah, be patient with us. We're off to Ladybower Reservoir, just outside of Sheffield. Ladybower's a large Y-shaped reservoir in the upper Derwent Valley. It's quite an interesting place. I love going there. Been there many times before, but this time we just thought, you know, take you guys along with us.
And the drone, of course.
And the drone, yeah, and the drone, of course.
And Hank.
And Hank. Hey mate, come on here. Hey. Right, we're going to set off now. Yeah, and we'll show you the ride. So we're just about to head over Britain's most dangerous road, known as Snake's Pass. It is very dangerous. Lots of windy bends, as you'll see. My mum actually went over there, I think it was last week, and she posted a video. It randomly started snowing, and she got into a bit of bother there. So. Yeah, hopefully we'll be alright and we'll get there in one piece. So we've just stopped along the way. It's a nice fog rolling in, so I thought take the drone out, get a few shots. Gonna look pretty epic. bit cold out. It's a bit cold. Oh, hopefully got some good shots there. Callie and the dog are substituted back into the back now as he's doing her head in.
He won't sit still on my knee, so look, he's trying to get in the front now.
He's a little bugger, aren't you? Hey?
Just wants to sit on Pappy's knee.
Yeah, he does. Right, let's get going to Ladybower. So as you can see, we've arrived. Callie's bought us some lol snacks for the ride. Refreshments.
Tucking into my Cornish pasty.
Yeah, it was a beautiful drive over till about halfway, and then, like you saw, the fog started rolling in, and yeah, it was quite a drive.
Yeah, lots of people had the fog lights on. It was you couldn't see very far, could you? So.
No, not at all. But yeah, we made it in one piece, so all good, all good.
So we're going to enjoy our hot chocolate and pasties, and then we're going to go and get the drone up.
Yeah. So you can see we're on top of the dam at the moment. Took the drone out literally 2 minutes later. Little park ranger pops his little head out. Callie was like, he's coming for you, he's coming for you.
Yeah, I was like, he's coming. I
Um, so yeah, he said they're not allowed to fly drones. Yeah, even though there aren't any signs, nothing on the website.
He said there were signs, but we had a look and there aren't.
No, so I just thought, be the better guy, just put it away for now. We'll get some shots with the camera, and luckily we actually stopped along the way as well and got some nice footage of the clouds. So yeah, that's about it. We're wrapping up now. Not much else we can really do with the little Ranger being on our backs, but yeah, hopefully we can do some more videos like this, and yeah, we won't get told to pop our drone away. Alright, that's it. Signing out.
Bye.
Bye. So I know flying in the Peak District is a hot topic at the moment. If you've got any tips or tricks about trying to fly your drone around the Peak District and find out where to, where you can or not, hit me up in the comments and please let me know. See you in the next one.